Hello. And here we are inside a Vic-20. I'm going to pull out this little cable and get it out of the way. So I have desoldered 4 chips here. And I'm going to give them a little, okay, that one is looking promising. The first one did not seem to want to move at all. But this one is out with its pins intact. Let's see about this one. Nope, doesn't want to go. Try a little over here. Okay, we're getting a little movement. As I say, sometimes you just need, well, gentle but firm pressure. Okay, so that's 2 of them. Go for this one. Gentle but firm. Nope. It seems they're more likely. Nope. So I want to go when I do them on this end. Nope. Okay. So that is 2 of them out. And 2 of them don't want to. So I will see what I can do here. And finding that's definitely a chip there. Okay, that one didn't come. That one didn't come. So there's one. I wonder if we can zoom in a little more on this. Oh, yeah, I think it could be this thing as one of them. And we'll just see. This too could be troublesome. And this one, it hardly looks like I just did all. Maybe I missed it. Alright, and the rest, I'll try if I can get on them. Oh, maybe, you know what, it could be. Because I was having trouble finding the things. It could be, oh, it could be that I'm going at the empty holes on the chip next door. Yeah, that one just doesn't. All right, well, that one might be loosened up a bit. Where is the other? The other is right here. Right here. So I'll have another look in here. There's definitely, I think, some extra solder on the board there. And this one here, possibly. Ooh, I felt something hot, I think. But I'm nowhere near the iron. Alright, I'll just go down the row here, trying to push things to the middle. This has got to be the one. Maybe. All right. Don't get the cord under the iron. Okay. So we'll turn this over and see. Do we have? Okay. There's one of them. Let's take the screwdriver. Oh. I heard a pop. And we'll take the screwdriver. Okay, it is moving. It has not given it up yet. Aha. Nope, not yet. But it's close. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. I don't really want to bend things, so I'm going to put my finger on here and give this a little bit of a pry. Come on. Oh, man. It's got to be. It's that one pin. Okay. Well, while we're here, I'll slide this into position. This is the next potential chip to be liberated. Potential. Let's see here. Go under. We are prying gently. It is not happening. We are prying gently. It's not happening. All right. We will flip the board. And which one is it here? Okay. Oh, this. It's funny because I don't. This is the one I'm trying to get off, I'm sure. But I don't feel any pins. But I bet you it's that one. I bet you it's that one right there. Oh, sorry, that one. All right, I'm going to. The iron's still hot. I'll give a little suction there. I will turn the board over and try and find. Oh, there's the chip now. Are you going to come now? Boy. Well, I suppose what I could do is on this side, try to heat that sucker up and get it to come out. But it still is resistant. Alright, it's got to be that connection. Ah! Did I zap the cord? I don't think I did. Okay. Gotta be careful with the iron. Alright, I'm gonna heat that up nice. See, there's no way that I could get the pin back. Oh, the chip fell out. I was looking, I was saying, where is that chip? Where could it be? Okay, now there is definitely on this one. Pins are not broken, but there's some serious bendage. Where did I put my little wee pliers? I don't see them, but they should be here. Well, all right. So you can see, maybe, possibly, if such way, put it on. If I can get it to stay on its side. But this chip has some pending issues with the pins. I will deal with them before I try to get them in. These others seem to have come out pretty well. Oh no. I dropped one. Okay, I will not step on it. Alright, now I do not know what the duty cycle of this iron is, but I'm sure we're getting there. So here is the last of these. So I'm going to once again go down the row. Try and get things away, and also paying special attention to this one in the corner. I think some solder just fell on it. And this one here looks mysteriously undone, as in need of another good suck. Alright. Last of the four. We're not there. Just a second. We're a little high. Okay. This is the last of the four attempted removals. So we're going to try and get the little screwdriver. Oh yeah. We're under there. It is not wanting to go. At all. Okay. Are we getting some movement? Either the chip is coming, or the screwdriver is bending. And I think the screwdriver is bending. So you know what? There comes a time in such matters where it doesn't really matter at this second if it comes out right now. It really doesn't. I'll just give it a little push along all the things here. Give it just that one. It doesn't matter at this moment. I think it's time there it is. I think it's time to unplug the iron and not turn off all the power. Not that it matters right now. Okay. Let's the iron. Cool. Oh, just then, out of the blue, I found little wee pliers. So that chip is looking pretty fine. This one, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? There you go. That one definitely has issues. So I'm going to pick it back up, and I'm going to take these little wee pliers and I'm going to gently, with great care, tweak. Oh, that's not really focusing. Well, anyway, I'm tweaking. There are basically two pins that had some serious issues about them, and I think I have resolved them. The third chip ended up on the floor. That is not good. So I will have a look-see. And these pins, there's one, just one, that might need just a little tweak. So there. The iron is cooling. And we have rescued 3 more 2114 chips out of a Vic-20. We hope to get 4, but it was not meant to be. There comes a time in something, just say, you know what, walk away for now. So, the next thing I'll do is reconfigure and try out these chips in the 4016 and see if we have good ones or not. I would bet somewhere in this whole bunch of things we're going to find a bad one, but we'll see. So thanks for coming. Bye for now.